A very good morning to all of you. I am Manzoor Muhammad, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, Joginpalli BR Engineering College, Hyderabad. Honorable Resource Person, Dr. D. Keshavaraj sir, most respected Principal, Dr. Ushasri Madam, respected Head of the Department, Dr. Giri sir, Coordinator, FDP, Dr. Angelina Madam, all faculty members and all participants. Welcome you all. Joginpalli College started in the year 2002 under JBR Educational Society, JBREC, recognized by ACTA and affiliated and accredited by NAC. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering offers BTech degree program with an intake of 120 and MTech degree program with an intake of 18 students. I am very happy to see you all in this online faculty development program on AWS Cloud Computing Services. Our resource person, Dr. D. Keshavaraj, working as an Associate Professor, Department of CSC at Dr. Sivanti Adinathnar College of Engineering, Tiruchendur, Tamil Nadu. He has 15 years of teaching experience. He has completed his BE CSC from Jairaj Annapakyam CSI College of Engineering under Anna University, Chennai in 2000. ME CSC from Manapanyam Sundaranar University, Tirunelveli in 2010. PhD Cloud Computing from Anna University, Chennai in April 2019. He is a co-author of book titled Fundamentals of Computing and Programming and Fundamentals of Latex Programming, and published many books, chapters in Elsewhere and IT Global. He received SAP Award of Excellence from IIT Bombay and Outstanding Reviewer Award from Elsewhere, Computer Science Electrical Engineering Journal. He has published many national and international journals and conference papers. He is recognized PhD supervisor for Anna University, Chennai. He has served as a reviewer for scientific journals such as Springer, Elsevier, IET, T&F, and Technical Program Committee member for international conferences. He presented 145 seminars and workshops. He has presented 2 international webinars. He has guided 2 students and R&D projects sponsored by IE Kolkata and TNSCST. His research interests include cloud computing, Internet of Things, machine learning, and blockchain technology. Now, I invite our resource person, Dr. D. Keshavaraja, to address this session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very fine. Good morning. The today's session, which will be titled, today's session is cloud computing. I would like to thank the management of BREC, principal, convener, as well as coordinator Angelina ma'am, faculties for arranging excellent FDP named as AWS Cloud Computing Services. I would like to thank college Dr. Sivanti for permitting me to present this FDP. Anyway, there is a small agenda for the 1-hour session. So agenda which starts with the introduction to cloud computing. Anyway, all are more familiar about the term cloud computing. Small intro, just 1 or 2 slides, small intro, what is cloud? So what is cloud, why, and why not cloud? So just a very small intro. Then cloud services, there are 3 major vital role in cloud domain. So cloud services, 5 major characteristics of cloud. So characteristics, deployment models, and virtualization. So just a small intro, what, why, and why not. Cloud service, cloud characteristics, deployment models. The first and foremost cloud service tool, which will be named Oracle VirtualBox. So small demo on Oracle VirtualBox. Excellent clouding service, cloud-based service, which will be named as AWS. So AWS service, which provided via numerous number of services. The first one, which will be called as EC2, Elastic Cloud 2. So EC2 service. The second one, which will be named as Amazon S3, that is storage as a service. The third one, which will be named as EFS, Elastic File Service. Then Elastic Beanstalk, it's an excellent web service. Then the last one, Amazon Relational Database Service. At last, some of the e-resources. It's a small agenda for the 1-hour webinar. So starts with a very fresh morning, so all are very much active. Anyway, it starts with a very small story. So once upon a time, a giant ship, a very large ship, the ship was failed. Once upon a time, there is a very large ship, the ship was failed. So the ship owners called engineers like you for servicing the ship. The engineer came to the ship one after another, but none of them figured out what happened on the engine. The ship owner was so sad. None of them figured out what happened on the engine, so she was so sad. So the ship owners called the old. He was a ship engineer. The ship owners called the old man. He was a ship engineer when he was a young. The old man came to the ship with a large backup tool. The old man came to the ship with a large backup tool. He immediately started his work and inspect the engine from top to bottom. The ship owners watch everything. The old man took a small hammer from his large backup tool. With the help of that small hammer, he simply tapped on the engine. Just tapped on the engine. Immediately, the engine was latched into life. Everyone was very much happy. Few days later, the ship owners received a bill from the old man. The bill was.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. Sir, that YouTube's live streaming
No
is in
problem.
line. Once check it.
Just a second, I will verify.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So few days later, the ship owners received a bill from the old man. The bill was $10,000. With the help of small hammer, he simply tapped on the engine, but the bill was $10,000. The ship owners write a letter to the old man. Dear sir, please send the itemized bill. So the old man replied and sent an itemized bill. The itemized bill comprising of only 2 items. Using hammer for $2. Where to use hammer for $9,998. Dear faculty, dear participants, where to put your effort is very, very essential. The JBREC, the college which organizes such excellent FDP, which will be titled as AWS Cloud Computing Services. So where to put your effort? Technology, everyone, bad can operate a mobile phone. So cloud is suitable for all the faculties. Starts with a small intro on cloud. So cloud internet. So it will be simply termed as anything or everything which run in the top of internet, which will be called as cloud services. Anything or everything which run in the top of internet, which will be called as cloud services. So internet-based computing, which will be called as cloud computing. Simply termed as information technology as a service. You can run either for hardware or software or operating system or video or audio or any multimedia file or news, data, anything as a service. So cloud provide anything as a service via internet. So there is a picture. With the help of the small saw, if you cut the tree, which will take 10 days or 20 days or 40 days time. But there is an excellent tool is available named as power cut saw. With the help of the power cut saw, you will cut the tree within 1 hour or 2 hours. So similar way, your traditional server, your traditional software are running a Smera software, some other things. You are running several set of software. Your traditional server, which will make slow. But if you are deploying the same one, so it works faster. So smaller task So if you are performing smaller task, in that situation, saw is enough. If you are performing a larger task, so power cut saw is needed. Similar way, traditional server for smaller task, AWS it's used for larger. So what? Collection of servers connected together over internet and the software and databases which run on those servers. So collection of servers, that is server pool. The collection of servers accessed over internet and software and databases that run on those servers. So normally cloud servers which are located on the data center. So there is no need for physical machines. Each and everything which virtually run on cloud environment. I'm giving an example. So the first advantage of cloud, why and why not? Reduce capital cost. Capital investment cost. If you are purchasing more and more server, it will be reduced. Improve accessibility, easy to access. The flexibility was improved more, backup and recovery. But till there is a little bit lag in technical issues, security, attacks, and lack of control. Anyway, each and every service provider are improving the same. And most topic, which will be called as cloud services. Cloud, which comprising of 3 basic services. The first and foremost service, which will be called as infrastructure as a service. The second one, which will be called as platform as a service. The third one, which will be called as software as a service. So the infrastructure as a service, Amazon as well as Rackspace, which provide infrastructure as a service. So here, the hardware which provided as a service, you can deploy your own operating system and your own software in the top of the infrastructure. So cloud only provide the hardware service. In the top of that, you are installing your operating system and install your software. So which will be called as first and foremost service, which will be named as infrastructure as a service provided by AWS. Then second service, which will be named as platform as a service. So now there are two components. First one infrastructure, second one which merged with the platform. So Google App Engine, Windows Azure, which provide a service. You can install your own software in the top of that and working on that environment. Third one, now it's a ready-made pizza. Ready-made pizza, you can directly enter into the market and shopping complex and then purchase a ready-made pizza, or otherwise it directly delivered to your home. So that is called a software as a service. So hardware is ready, infrastructure as a service. In the top of that, operating system is ready, that is platform as a service. In the top of that, software is ready. So everything which combine together and provide a service. So the complete service, that is Gmail as a service, video as a service, multimedia as a service, then audio as a service. So the complete thing which provided as a service, so which will be called as software as a service. So cloud which provide three services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, then software as a service. Three basic services which provided by cloud. So software as a service provided as a service, platform, so operating system provided as a service. Top of that, you are installing your own operating software and then play. Infrastructure as a service, then hardware which provides as a service. You can install your own operating system, your own software in the top of that. So the complete environment which lie in the top of servers. So it's a cloud architecture. So the cloud layers: infrastructure as a service, then platform as a service, then software as a service. Three excellent layers which plays a vital role in cloud domain. So there are 5 major characteristics of cloud. The greatest advantage of cloud which depends on these 5 characteristics. The first one, on-demand service. So based on user need, you can access a service. So if one user requests, they can provide on-demand video. So it provides a service. If ubiquitous network access, broad network access, the collection of computing resources are connected together to provide a service. Transparent resource pooling, huge number of servers, measure rapid elasticity, it's scalable. So one user request which provide a service. If 100 user requests which scale up and provide a service. If 1000 user requests, scale up again and provide a service. If user increases, automatically scale up. If user reduces, automatically scale down. So based on user need, which provide a service. Then metered and measured service. So whatever you are using, you can pay for that only. Whatever resource you are using, you can pay for that only.
Lingana?
These are the 5 major resources for cloud computing. Sorry, 5 major characteristics of cloud computing.
Jagadish and Sunita madam, Brahmanandam sir.
Dear participants, please mute yourself. Please. Dear participants, please mute yourself. Madam, otherwise you will mute all the participants. Okay. So 5 essential characteristics: on-demand service, ubiquitous network access, resource pooling, elasticity, and then metered or measured service. A cloud which merged with a small story, which will be called as Elephant and a Blind Man. So the story starts with once upon a time. So once upon a time, there were 6 blind men are living in a village. One day, a villager said there was an elephant in a village. Even though there are 6 blind men, he can't able to see the elephant. At least went there and touch and feel the elephant. 6 blind men are went there and touch and feel the elephant. 6 blind men are touching, and one of them said he is touching the part of the elephant, touching, and said another one touching the tail of the elephant, and said it's like a rope. The 4th blind man touching the leg of the elephant and said it's like a tree. The 5th blind man touching the ear of the elephant and said it's like a fan. the sixth blind man touching the trunk of the elephant and said, "It's like a snake." Now the six blind men are argued with each other. One of them said it's another one said it's like a snake, another one said it's like a tree, another one said it's like a wall, another one said it's like a fan, it's like a snake. So it's like a rope. So six blind men argued with each other. Which one is correct? Collection to data center to form a meeting as you use it. Virtualized servers are connected together to form the service. Storage on Sky, cloud computing, so which provide virtual data center, pay for computing as you use it. Then storage on Sky, then computers for rented computers, automatically scalable. So cloud which provide 6 excellent services. So all the 6 things. Yeah, next slide, please view the slide. It's like a tree, it's like a rope. All the 6 elements are touching the different parts of the elephant. 6 concepts are combined together to form an elephant. Similar way, a virtual data center, pay for computing as you use it, virtualized server, storage on Sky, automatically scalable, computers for rent. All the 6 concepts which combine together to form a cloud computing. So cloud computing, which comprising of 6 core concepts. I'm entering into the domain. It's a technology to provide everything as a service. Cloud computing is a technology to provide everything as a service via internet. Cloud computing is a technology to provide anything or everything as a service. So it will be simply represented as XaaS, anything or everything as a service. I'm giving a very small example. Every morning, everyone replies newspaper, that is DT Next. That will be called as utility. That will be termed as utility service. The same newspaper which prepared with the help of utility computing. The same newspaper which provided as a service via internet, which will be called as cloud models. First one which will be called as private cloud. Second one which will be named as public cloud. The combination of both the things which will be called as hybrid cloud. Private cloud used within your organization. You are purchasing your own servers. Then you are creating a data center service. So which will be called as private cloud service. Public cloud, the enterprise, the ISP, they are providing their services. Pay for computing as you use it. Whatever you are using, you can pay for that. But in private cloud, it's highly secure because you are having your own server, but the cost was high. But in public cloud, the cost was less, but security is also less. So there is a combination, private and public cloud, which will be called as hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud, which is a combination of private and public cloud. So the secure components which are stored in private cloud, all other will be called as hybrid cloud. This is a 3 deployment model which plays a vital role. The advantage of cloud. If you need milk, why buy a cow? If you need milk, why buy a cow? If you need milk, directly entering into supermarket and then purchase, none of them buying a cow and then maintain it quality milk. But none of them doing that. Directly entering into supermarket and then you need a software. If you need milk, why buy a cow? If you need a single software, why buy a huge number of servers or several things? Nothing is needed. Pay for computing as you use it. First and foremost advantage of cloud scale. If one user request, which provides user request, 100 user request, it's provide a service. If 1 lakh user request, which provide a service. If user increases, it automatically scale up again, which provide a service. If user reduces, automatically scale down, which provide a service. So user increases, scale up. If user reduces, automatically scale down. So it will be called a scalable service. Accessible anytime, anywhere. So first month I need 1 server. So second month I need 2 servers. Third month, 6th month I need 6 machines. 6th month I need 2 machines. So in that situation, the cash cost was increased more. In the 5th month, you need 6 PC. But if you are renting a computer, only you can pay for whatever you are using for. Cloud operating system, it's a middleware between the hardware as well as the user. So something OpenStack, OpenNebula, these are some of the cloud operating system which will provide a platform as a service. So pay for computing as you use it, whatever resource you are using, you can pay for that resource only. This is for small introduction, cloud computing. So provide anything or service, cloud computing which provide anything, technology to provide anything or everything as via internet. So whatever you are using, you can pay for that only. I'm entering into small example for Oracle VirtualBox virtualization. So you can create multiple operating system in a single window. You can directly deploy multiple operating system in a single window. So Oracle VirtualBox which provide that environment. So just you can install Oracle VirtualBox. Just you can install the software. Inside that, you are deploying the operating system 1 Ubuntu, operating system 2 CentOS, operating for their Windows or some other operating system. So software box for deploying multiple operating system inside a single PC. Yeah. In olden days, cloud is used for cloud multimedia which will be changed into intelligent cloud computing. So the artificial intelligence, machine learning, which also merged with cloud. So I'm giving a very small example for business intelligence, WhatsApp status. So one fine day, I am also updating my Facebook status. The status was feeling sad. Immediately there are lots and lots of responses. That's not a problem. So the business analytics, the cloud analytical tool, which analyze your data, the intelligent cloud, which analyze your status, and then immediately which plays advertisement called as kerchief. If feeling sad, I need kerchief. If feeling sad, I need kerchief. Just for fun, I am putting my Facebook status or WhatsApp status as raining. I am putting my WhatsApp status as raining. The cloud intelligent tool which analyze the status, that is business intelligence, analyze the status, immediately which display the raincoats or umbrella advertisement in the top of that. So each and every tweet, each and every Facebook, each and every Twitter, each and every WhatsApp status, everything was analyzed via intelligent cloud tools for business intelligence, BI. Digital marketing, current trend, complete digital marketing, which depends on cloud domain. Current trend, all the digital marketing, which depends on cloud domain. So Zomato, Uber Eats, everything which depends on digital marketing environment, which very soon, which will remove all the kitchens, which will dominate the world. So these kind of things, which will depend on cloud domain for scalable infrastructure. So the last and foremost technology for introduction, which will be called as haptic technology. I think all are more familiar about the haptic technology. It's a recent technology which plays a vital role in the top of cloud domain. So even though you are purchasing a dress via online, that is eBay, Flipkart, or Amazon, but still there is a huge crowd in shopping complex. How? Why? So because if you are entering into shopping market for shopping complex for purchasing dress, you can touch and feel it. You can touch and feel it. But in online market, there is no touch and feel facility. So the online market, in the mobile, there is a top of your mobile, the screen card which will be pasted. You can touch the dress via the screen card, the same exposure which will be provided. So touch and feel exposure, which provided the first advantage, which will be called a touch and feel exposure, which provided by haptic technology. The second one, which will be called as smell and feel, the same sense smell, which provided by your mobile phone, that is cloud sense smell, that is cloud haptic technology. First one, touch and feel. Second one, which will be called as smell and feel technology. The last one is a very take a photo of your favorite food. Just take a photo of your favorite food and taste your mobile screen. It provides the same which provide the same taste exposure. So same taste and feel exposure which provided. For example, I'm entering into a hotel and then take a photo of the people eating something. I can just take a photo, just take a photo of food items, and then you can taste your mobile screen. Just take food items and just taste your mobile screen, the same taste and feel exposure which provided via your mobile screen. So just taste your mobile screen. So it provide same taste and feel exposure. So haptic technology which provide three basic environment. First one which will be called as touch and feel. Second one which will be called as smell and feel. The last one which will be called as taste and feel. The three environment which deployed in the top cloud service. So numerous number of current trends every on cloud. I'm giving a cloud environment. So now we are entering into the demo on AWS cloud. There are some of the questions from participant side. Very soon I will answer all the questions. Just I will enter into AWS demo and answering your questions. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Enoch from Mudalur.
Yes. Okay, sure. So just as AWS demo, before that there is a just for fun how to catch line. So each and everyone in my school days, each and every faculty came to the class and explained several set of concepts. But applying the concept for catching the line, think about a city. Dear participants, please. Okay. So now how? So Newton's method, for every action there is an opposite reaction. First line catches you, then you will catch the line. Think about the situation. First line catches you, then you will catch the line. Yeah. Newton's method is an excellent method for applying the concept, catching the line. Think about the situation. The second one, Einstein method, or due to higher velocity, line will run in opposite direction of you. You run in opposite direction of line, run in a very, very fast manner. At last, line will get tired, you will easily travel. Think about your situation. So, dear participant, where to put your effort is very, very essential. So, first catch the cat and test issue size update. Think about a lion and cat are equal. So, where to put your effort? Service, AWS is excellent cloud service. You can put your effort. You can concentrate on excellent service, which will be called as AWS. AWS is excellent service provider to provide cloud computing services. So the first and foremost service which will be called as EC2. Just you can open aws.amazon.com. So entering into the website aws.amazon.com, you can click on my accounts, click on that environment, my accounts, and then admin console. You can click on admin console. So just open the website and click on my accounts and then admin console. So if you are a new user, you can sign and create an account. AWS, which provides 750 hours, 750 hours free services. So you use that service. So you can entering into your username, each and every account ID which comprising of multiple username. So you can enter to and log in into AMS website like Gmail, password. Similar, then it will open AWS Management Console. If you are logging into the environment, it will open AWS Management Console. In the AWS Management Console, there is an option called as Find Services. It provides IoT as a service, which provide hybrid blockchain as a service, which provide video as a service, which provide audio as a service. Whatever you are needed, you can search for that. AWS provide almost 99% of service. Almost 99% of service user needs. So you can be searching EC2. EC2 Elastic Cloud operating system. It provides cloud operating system as a service. I am creating hardware environment EC2. The EC2, just click on that EC2 which will open. instance. So launch a new operating
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
So the first and foremost service which will be called as EC2. EC2 cloud service. Inside that you can click on launch services. So launch a new instance. Launch a new instance. You can click on launch instance. Then it will be stored as a flavor in AWS AMI service, Amazon Machine Image. That will be called as image. The dump operating system which will be called as image. So all the images are available. You can choose your interested image operating system to run. I will choose Ubuntu operating system. I will choose Ubuntu operating system. Then for the type, normally T2 Micro is a free service. Whatever you are needed, you can choose for that. Now I am choosing T2 Micro, that is a free tier eligible service. Then number of instance, if you are a college having, you can create 60 instances in a fraction of second. Just 60 Ubuntu operating system is ready. Everyone login into the domain, then working on their own operating system. So 16 instances created in a fraction of second. Number of instances. Service. So the RAM which requires. So for EC2 creation, the step 1 for choosing an image. Step 2 for choosing a tier architecture flavor for T2 Micro. Step 3 for number of instances. So you are choosing one instance. If you need 50 operating system, so you can give 50. Then step 4 for storage, 8 GB storage, minimum requirement of Ubuntu. And tag for finding items. Then at last you are choosing a protocol SSH for displaying item in a PuTTY Linux. So it's for creation. After that, the Ubuntu instance is ready. Just 5 steps. Next, 5th step, the launch review instance is ready. Just key pair is needed. So AWS the say Ubuntu instance was ready. Running operating provide everything. It provide public IP for every environment. Audible after launching the instance which provide IP address. So with the help of that IP address, you can open PuTTY Linux and then load the key file. So the public key is ready. Open PuTTY Linux and key file and public key is ready. So just provide the IP address of PuTTY Linux and then the key file. Provide the IP address and then key file. So with the help of the IP address and then key file, automatically the Ubuntu operating system which will be launched via the PuTTY Linux. So anywhere in the world, you can log in, use the help of this public IP. So public IP as well as PEM file is enough for login into Ubuntu operating system anywhere in the world. So anywhere in the world, you can log in to the Ubuntu operating system via this public IP and SSH protocol with the help of PEM file. So similar way, just for 2 more slides. Similar way for Windows instance, I am repeating the same step for Windows in 5 minutes. I will complete in 10 to 15 minutes, please. So you are choosing Windows as image, the same thing. AMI image, step 1 for Windows, step 2 for T2 Micro, then step 3 for number of instance, that is 1 instance. Step 4 for storage. In Ubuntu it needs 8 GB. In Windows systems which need 30 GB storage. Add tag, it's not needed. Then in Ubuntu, the protocol is SSH. Here the protocol which will be called as RDP. The protocol which will be named as RTP protocol. Now the instance is ready. So key pair procedure. Windows instance is launched. Then you can connect to Windows. Password. So the Windows OS which will be launched. So just via browser, you can launch Ubuntu operating system, Windows operating system with the help of just 7 steps. Next. You are not changing anything. Just with the help of 7 steps, you are performing a task. So EC2 service. So within 10 minutes, the session will be ended, sir. Please, sir. So EC2, it's a first service which used to provide Elastic Cloud service. So The second service, just for storage service, just like a G drive, like a G drive, use S3, then create a folder which will be called as bucket, then create that, then which will create a case on AWS bucket. Then you can upload your file. So just after uploading, which provide a link. After uploading, it provide a link. So just click on link anywhere in the van, you can access this file. So AWS, which provide all kind of services. Just you are logging into aws.amazoncloud.com. Inside that website, which provide all kind of, I will in 5 minutes, please. So AWS, which provide all kind of services. If you need blockchain, just search this blockchain, which provide QLDB as a service. If you search IoT, which provide IoT as a service. If you provide IoE, which provide IoE as a service. If you provide virtual reality as a service. If you provide augmented reality as a service. So anything or everything which provided as a service via AWS cloud computing. So dear participants, so AWS cloud which provide anything or everything as a service. AWS, which is one of the excellent cloud which provide all kind of services. Yeah, anyway, questions from participant side. If you have questions, yeah, there is already audio problem, so use chat box to ask your question. Then at the end of the session, the complete video which will be uploaded, already the YouTube link which will be shared with you, in the same URL, the same YouTube channel, the complete recorded video which will be uploaded within 1 hour. Then similar way, the presentation as well as the material for step-by-step material for running in AWS environment, which will be provided to you via the WhatsApp chat. If you have any queries, you can ask via chat box. Please, participants, your question, please. Already there is a question. Participants, please mute yourself. Already question from yes, participants, please mute yourself. Just for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, there is a question from Vinod Agarwal, sir. So if customer deleted data, so it's 100% deleted. So anything in cloud, it will not deleted. Everything which entirely which will be stored for business analytics purpose, sir. So any other question from participant side? So yes, Praveen sir, there is a service for machine learning and data science. Numerous number of service which provided via AWS. So just in AWS find service, you can type ML, all the ML algorithm, all the machine learning algorithm which are available in business analytics tool, you can directly working on that. Similar way, data science, variety of data science tool available in AWS, so you can work on that. So AWS is an excellent cloud for providing machine learning and data science services. Such an excellent effort for arranging such an enormous FDP. There are numerous number of participants. The participants sent almost, AWS is free for 70 hours, sir, Ashok sir. So almost there are nearly 1,000 participants. So yes, 1 second please. Almost there are 1,000 participants. So we are first time we are facing this 1,000 participants, so it's very huge crowd. So we are facing some of the audio problems. 1 second, I will share the complete audio.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Share everything via YouTube. Then JBREC college, which are arranging excellent effort. I thank the principal, especially Dr. Angelina ma'am, yesterday night, last 2 days. Yes, 1 second, please. Wait. Yeah, madam putting continuous effort for thanks to ma'am and their team. So thank you for providing such a nice opportunity. Any other question, please? Yeah.
Hello, sir.
PPT
Can you hear me?
and materials, which everything will be shared. Hand over to host. Hand over to host.
Okay, sir. Very
Angel
good
Lama,
afternoon to
your words, please.
It's my privilege to thanks on behalf of JCC. First of all, I thank God for His grace throughout the successful organization of this FDP. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our Chief Minister, sir, who spanned time from his busiest schedule to grace the event. The session is very good and worthwhile. We are truly enlightened with your knowledge and presence, sir. We are pleased to have you as our resource person, sir. No words to thank you, sir, for the fullest support you provided from the start till the end of this FDP. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to all of our participants for active participation and patience in this FDP. Also for investing your valuable time in learning during this lockdown period. I wish all the participants to continue your learning in future too. I sincerely thank our management for their continuous support and advices for the development of our college at each phase. I would like to express our profound gratitude to our principal, Dr. V. Usha Shri Madam, for her enthusiastic support and guidance in all times. I thank our HOD, Dr. Giri, for his encouragement and advice towards this FDP. I especially thank Dr. Narayana sir, Dr. Prabharan sir, Mr. Ravi Kumar sir, Mr. Hemant sir, Mr. Mansoor sir, Mrs. Shapna madam, Mrs. Syed sir, Mr. Syed sir, for their tremendous effort, unflinching support and coordination towards the smooth conduction of FDP. I also extend thanks to all my department teaching and non-teaching faculty members who have made this FDP a grand success. Also, I am thankful to our entire JDREC faculties for their encouragement and valuable suggestions for this FDP. Once again, I thank all the participants for joining this FDP through online. With these warm words and the kind message, we move to the end of today's FDP. Thank you. Dear participants, kindly fill the feedback form. The link is provided in the chat box, as well as communicated to a WhatsApp group and to your email ID. After filling the feedback form, you will receive the certificates within 2 days. Thank you for your patience and thank you for attending this FDP. Thank you.